Hey everybody, Matt Emroy back. Getting some really bad lightning right now. We just got flashed that they were under a severe thunderstorm warning. The wind just picked up a couple of minutes ago. Look at those trees. Whoa! Well, you can see how bad the wind is blowing right now. Look at that rain. And I think it's time to get inside, guys, because I'm getting soaked. This is probably one of the worst I've seen so far. The other two I filmed were nothing like this. Maybe I'll go check and see what it looks like out the back real quick. We've been getting power loss here. We had it cut out once or twice, so we decided to shut the TV off for now. Take a quick look out the back. And you can feel it's actually, oh my God! Woo! Almost knocked something off the wall here. Yeah, when you film live, that's what happens. But yeah, it's really coming down right now, and it's even gotten really, really cool. I'll keep you guys up to date, let you know what's going on. Talk to you later. Well, it's been a few minutes, and my cat Simon is really, really nervous. He does not like thunderstorms at all.
There you go.
What do we got going on? This is the local news.
Pretty much out from under the gun, except for maybe sort of the southern half of Hampton as that storm has moved on. The heaviest part of it anyway. Still run down here for Chesapeake, parts of Norfolk, Portsmouth, Suffolk, city of Virginia Beach. Again, not the entire city, just the western edge.
Yeah, we are right in that red right now with a lot of lightning strikes.
To the north, that's really starting to weaken down to about 3/4 inch hail, or even a little less than that, because that's
wow, that's potential hail. We're right in that blue area.
2-inch hail being reported in a number of locations.
Let's see what it looks like outside right now.
Franklin area. As for the timing of the hail, well, it's going to reach. Let me turn around here. It's going to reach.
Let's open this door real quick. You see everything's wet. About the same as before. I think it's about as bad as this one's going to get, but man, we've seen a lot of lightning. Not too much hail as of yet. We live on the south side, so the storm's actually coming this way. It's coming kind of southwest at the moment. Wow. Yeah, but we really do need this rain. You know, we got a lot of rain earlier in the year, but we haven't seen anything within the last couple of weeks. No rain whatsoever to speak of. Alright, if there's any more updates, I'll make sure I give them to you. If not, we'll see you guys in the next video.